Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Panasonic Nose Hair Trimmer and Ear Hair Trimmer ER430K Vacuum Cleaning System, Men's, Wet-Dry, Battery Operated. While others may have been a bit more powerful, they also vibrated too much and pulled the nose hair, which was extremely painful. This trimmer has almost no vibration, a good sign in small electric motors, and does not pull at all. In both cases they worked fine at first, but they soon began making whirring noises which became louder and louder. Bop 3. Mine have never worked right, it never catch hair, and taking a long time to get even a few hairs. That problem is gone forever. You can actually hear the sound of hair being cut. The trimmer is well rounded and smooth, and gives a very clean and close trim. A unique feature is that there is a setting to allow more water to run through, giving a better cleaning. Thought it was the battery, but even after replacement and cleaning, the motor would barely turn over and stopped working at certain angles. The battery compartment has a nice tight seal with a rubber o-ring to prevent water from getting inside. The product is also made with a slight curve as to better maneuver inside your nostrils, and believe me, it does make a difference. The design is the key. The rounded top allows the blades to get really close and to safely and easily navigate ears and nose. There is only one switch, and it is fairly difficult to injure yourself unless you are pressing extremely hard on the inside of your nose hair. Cleanup is simple, as you twist off the top and empty the contents into the trash. It does not, however, completely replace scissors for hairs that lie flat and tickle the most. On the other hand, unlike the Remington, which never cut me, the Panasonic has drawn blood 3 times. All shaved hair is drawn into the shaver instead of falling freely in one's nose or ears. It cuts very cleanly, and never snags or pulls. Runs at high RPM on a single AA battery. On the bright side, it won't need cleaning often since it doesn't really cut anything. It has a mirror on the cap, supposedly so that you can see what you're doing, but it's nothing but a dull piece of foil with virtually no reflection at all. If you want to charge the rechargeable battery, you need to take it out and then recharge it. Also, the accessories that accompany this item are not the same as one purchased from the name brand retailer. There is a built-in vacuum that sucks in the debris so it doesn't go all over the place. Those trimmers are good for trimming the circumference of the nose, the skin portion, in a circular motion. The device is fairly cheap, does the job very well, and seems to have no major faults related to function. Couple, so she was disappointed to learn that, while battery operated, this is only a nose and ear hair trimmer. It cuts quickly, and without tugging out the nostril roots, which can make a burly man tear up something fierce. From experience, if you find your nose trimmer pulling, it's time to replace or charge the battery. It then can kind of pull your hair rather than burning it off quickly, which results in an uncomfortable pinching of your nose hair, kind of like it feels when you pull a hair out yourself. Always stayed in a nice dry drawer in the bathroom along with other similar gadgets. Sometimes it can take a bunch of passes, but it'll get your nose nice and tidy. Once it gets going, it seems to operate okay, but it involves a lot of jiggling and twisting to get it to turn on. Also works great for ear hair and the hair right under the nose that the razor might not reach. There is another model with a light, but not sure that feature is worth the extra cost. It would work only when held at a particular angle, and it wasn't always the same angle. Even if it was, it's not practical to keep a hair trimmer at the same angle. The tip twists off for easy cleaning, though be careful to not tap it too aggressively, or the cutting blade slips out and can easily fall down a sink drain. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.